Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe. So this is an interesting one. So this guy purchases a Dodge Hellcat and drives it for about 790 something miles, and then it ended up just, locking up or blowing up or whatever. So he takes it in to get it, warrantied because it's still under warranty. Now, they go and check everything and they come back and be like, you know what? Your warranty is voided because you have modified the vehicle. And what did he do? He put in a muffler delete. Now, for me, personally, when I get a brand new car, I tend not to modify it, at least not do any kind of changes that will affect how the car runs or if I have to tune it, because I want to keep the warranty intact. I try not to mess with too much in it. But once the car is old enough, like my car, I think it came with that 3 years, 36,000 miles. So I didn't do anything drastic until those things were up. But when you put a modifying exhaust on my particular car or anything like that, it does not affect the way the car runs. You don't need a tune in order to make it run. I mean, you can tune it to make it run better, but it doesn't really affect how the car runs. It's not going to run lean and it's not going to run rich just because I replaced the exhaust and put in a cutback exhaust system. Now this particular one, he removed the catalytic converter and put a straight pipe muffler delete. So that is what Dodge is leaning on in order to void his warranty. Is it right? No, but any of these companies, they will find the littlest things, the littlest shit, in order to void the warranty, because warranty work does not fucking help the dealerships at all. Especially the dealership is the one that actually rejected the repair because they don't get anything from it. They don't get anything. You know what I mean? They only have like a certain amount of hours that are allocated to that warranty work, and then after that hour has been all used up, guess what? They're not making any money off the whole transaction, so it's not beneficial for them. So they will find every little thing in order for them not to do that warranty work. In this case, they found that little thing, and this guy learns the hard way. That's why you never want to buy extended warranties, because they're not worth shit on the paper that they're printed on. They're literally not worth anything, because they will check every little thing, micro, like get the fucking, one of those what are those things called, like a microscopic or what is it? What the fuck is it called? Those magnifying glass. Yes, they will get a magnifying glass to check, make sure you weren't fucking around with your car, in order for them not to pay you your damages or whatever happens to the motor or whatever. But anyway, let's get into the article. And another thing too, it's always nice to be honest when the dealership asks you about stuff. If you're honest about it, sometimes it will work in your favor than it is if you lie and they find out. But not always. Sometimes you gotta fuck them easy. But anyway, Dodge voids Hellcat jailbreak warranty allegedly over mid-muffler delete, leaving owner with $36,000 repair bill. If there's a thing that the Dodge Challenger hangs its hat on, it's performance through raw horsepower. In fact, part of the shtick with Challenger Hellcat Jailbreak Edition, which comes with software tuning that adds a bit of power. Despite that, one customer claims that the automaker voided his warranty for deleting a mid-muffler. The customer is Brennan Vinet, who initially posted on Facebook about his damaged 2023 Challenger Hellcat wide body jailbreak back on April 14th. Among other things, he said that they pulled the computer and clearly see that it was a faulty engine, lost compression, and was their fault. From what Dodge told the dealer yesterday, they said that this is not the first 2023 this happened to. Vinet shared documents from that service appointment showing zero compression on cylinder 7. On April 26, he updated the Dodge Challenger Owners Club, saying that he spoke with both Dodge CEO Tim Konetsky and Executive Vice President Steve Stander before the dealer voided his warranty. The reason, evidently, because Dodge believes Vinet tuned the car. Now, as you can see here, let me just open that up. Clearly, you can see that a cylinder number 7 has 0 compression to it, so it's not functioning like it's supposed to. I don't think that would affect how the car runs when you delete the muffler. But cylinder number 7 not working could have a major issue on a car. But anyway, and another thing that kind of like, suspicious is when he covers this portion of the let me see. Let me go down. So he kind of covers a little bit of the information here, so we can't precisely see it, and my head is in the way. Let me just move me right here and just put me to the side right here. As you can see here, PTSC has reviewed the scan report data with engineering. Performance calibration installed. Vehicle has been tuned. Warranty due to emission tampering. Emission tampering, it doesn't do shit. But you know what? Every car is built differently. So I don't know if emissions really does affect it. But like I said, these motherfuckers will find any fucking way to void your fucking warranty so they don't have to pay out. They don't want to pay. It doesn't benefit them at all. Okay, so moving on. In the same post, Vince stated that the car was never modified with anything ever. However, he later, but see, that's where he lied right here. He said the car was never modified with anything ever. However, he later wrote that Dodge denied his claim specifically over a mid-muffler. So he was lying about it. Vin also shared with Carscoops photo of a report about the incident. Although the entire language is not visible in the photo, it's clear that the pages say vehicle has been tuned, warranty due to emission tampering. While that could indeed refer to some sort of aftermarket tuning, it seems unlikely that it would be about a post-catalytic converter exhaust modification, because some cars are a little bit wonky. When you remove the catalytic converter, some cars will throw a check engine light, and you have to tune it in order for you to get rid of that check engine light. For my car, my Type R, when I removed my my catalytic converter, at least one of them, it's got multiple. But anyway, when you remove it, I don't even think I removed it, honestly. I think it's still there. But I got my exhaust, when I had got my exhaust system and I installed it, it didn't throw any check engine light. But not every car is built the same way. Everything is different. So who knows? Maybe the Hellcat, when you remove the catalytic converter, it will throw a check engine light, and he tuned it to get rid of that check engine light, and that's why his warranty is voided. But I don't know. This is all just pure speculation, so don't go all crazy on me now. Well, that could indeed refer to some aftermarket, blah blah blah. If you get a mid muffler delete on a Dodge vehicle, it voids the warranty. End of story. 2023 Hellcat wide body. Jailbreak denies warranty on a new motor with 790 miles for a mid-muffler delete. They said it changes the parameter of the engine. If VOD claims are accurate, it seems as though Dodge is wrongfully asking him to drop $36,000 on a ruined engine that got less than 1,000 miles on it. If there was some sort of faulty tune on the engine, it's certainly plausible that it could have nuked a motor that quickly. We reached out to Dodge regarding the incident and conflict. Will we update? Will we hear back? So, as you can see here, that's part of the inspection, and yeah, concern front, perform synthetic oil change, blah blah blah. But if everything is as he said, you can always lawyer up and try to fight it that way. If you, like somebody stated in the comments of the article, if you can afford a Dodge Hellcat, hey, you can afford a lawyer. And 36,000, I mean, hell, you. I'm just saying, but we don't really know what the truth is. And I'm curious to follow. I'm gonna follow this story and seeing if we have a resolution or anything like that. But yeah, man, don't trust those warranty works. Do not trust those warranties, man. They ain't worth shit. That's why I don't buy extended warranties. I never have bought an extended warranty. Have I? I'm thinking. I have, but I canceled it like a month later because they said that was the only way she wanted to get paid extra, whatever. You know how the finance people do get. But anyway, I purchased the extended warranty for my Type R and then I canceled it like a month later. But anyway, you let me know in the comments below what you think about this situation. Is Dodge in the wrong here? Or is my boy hiding some sort of information here that we could have be more subjective? But anyway, leave your comments below and I'll see you guys in the next one.